How to update your site with Installatron. First off, you want to log into the Snapfrozen client area. From there, you can select your service. For the example, we're using unitynetworks.com.au. Then up the top left, log into your cPanel. Once that's loaded, you can scroll down and find the Installatron Applications Installer. Once you click that, you'll be presented with all your applications that you've installed. As you can see here, we have our WordPress website. Now to update it, all you have to do is click on the red down arrow. As you can see, there's the current version and the new version we're going to update to. And below you can also read the changes. Installatron also gives you the ability to update the plugins and themes at the same time. If you would like to, simply click yes on both. It's also strongly recommended that you create a backup of your site before making any significant changes. Installatron will automatically do this for you, but just to be safe, make sure it's checked before you click update. Once that's all done, you can click update and Installatron will automatically update everything for you. As you can see, the site is now fully updated and everything should be ready to go. If you need further assistance, feel free to get in contact with us by opening a support ticket, like so.